Hi there guys, this is Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the second video in the series of top 60 apps of 2015. So guys, if you have not seen the first part, I'll leave a link in the description area, so do check it out. So guys, let's get started. So as with the previous video, these are the 20 apps of this series, and as you can see there are actually 22 because I have one or two personal preferences in it apart from being the top 20 of this video. So guys, first one is Plex and I have been using it recently. It's basically a media manager. It scans through your phone and your PC and indexes all your movies and videos that you have. I don't know why this showed up. So I use it majorly to stream movies to my Chromecast using this particular app, and it works really well. I wish it could download trailers automatically on a free account too, but I think it's too much to ask. Anyway, the next app is Elevate, which is once again I guess a brain app, or which might improve your cognitive ability. This particular app is more focused on improving your vocabulary and improving your math skills, basic math skills. So this has been one of the top apps in that particular category this year. The next app is FlashTalk, which is like TeamViewer. You can use this app to control your PC. Let me just quickly show you a demonstration. So guys, I have now connected to my desktop PC. As you can see, I am recording the audio using Audacity. So the best thing about this particular app is there's absolutely no lag. You can literally watch videos in it. So you have the mouse and you can do whatever you want using just this particular app. And I find this really easy to use than any other app. So as you can see, I am able to control my PC just using this particular application. I need to install a server app on my PC to use this app before. So there's also a free version, so do give it a try. So guys, the next app in our list is Power Toggles, and this is basically how it looks. These are the power toggles. We used to have some other app called as notification toggles which used to do the same thing, but this looks a little better than that. And as you can see, I can add any toggles that I want, so I don't need to go to this area to access these toggles. So the next app in our list is Swiftkey, which is again a keyboard app, and this is the second keyboard app that I'm going to show you in this series. So let me just quickly show you how it looks. So guys, there are actually two things that I really like about this particular keyboard. One, its auto correction is really good, best of the things that I've seen. And second, it has this floating window thing which is really useful in tablets. So the swipe works really well, and let me just show you the floating window thing. So this is the floating thing, and it's really useful if you use this particular keyboard on a tablet. It's really nice to use on huge tablets whose size is more than 7 inches. So do give it a try guys. So the next app in our list is Swipe Pad, and this is how basically it looks, and this is the swipe pad. You can set triggers to any particular edge. I have set it to both corners of my status bar. So when I swipe from the status bar, I get access to my favorite applications, and that's pretty much it about swipe pad. Next is SyncMe. So using this app, I can sync folders from this app or from this device to a PC in my local network. So firstly, I need to configure the PC, and then I can sync folders. There's both two-way and one-way sync, and you can either copy content or move content from PC to device or from device to PC. And the transfer rate is pretty good too. So guys, the next app in our list is Timely, which is a clock, timer, stopwatch, and an alarm. I guess it's not a stopwatch. No, it's a stopwatch. So anyway, it looks really cool, and you have options to change the themes, and the entire UI is pretty new. It's been around for years, I guess. So to start a new alarm, simply press on the timer over here, and you can slide to select the time and release, and press done to create an alarm. The next app is Super Backup, which is my go-to app for backing up contacts, SMS and call logs. So it has a very simple UI and you can easily back up all your stuff. I majorly use to back up SMS and call logs. So that's what it takes to backup all your messages. You even have option to auto backup and auto upload to your Google Drive account. So that's something really nice that you get on a free app. So guys, the next app is Textra, which has been my primary messaging app for more than a year, and there are 3 features that I really like about it. So first thing, we can mark all SMS or all messages as read. So mark all as read and everything will be read now. And secondly, I can press and hold on any message and I can blacklist it, or else I can select this option and I won't be notified about this particular message group or message series ever again. It comes in handy if you don't want to blacklist a particular contact but still don't want to be notified every time that person messages you. So guys, this is Tubemade and it is my go-to app to download YouTube videos. It works really well. Simply select the video that you want to download and you have the option over here to download. They have recently updated it to material design and you get all these options to download too. Works really well and I've been using it for quite some time now. So the next app in our list is Trillo, which is basically a project management app. It has both the Android version and the web version. So you can use it for your personal purpose to organize all your thoughts and plans. The next app in our list is Torrent Pro, which has been my favorite torrent client for quite some time. So it's basically a torrent client used to download torrents on your Android device. The next app is Unified Remote, which can be used to control your PC from your Android device. You can use your phone as a mouse or a keyboard and you can do the basic stuff like shutting down your computer or putting it to sleep or hibernating the computer, and you can do a lot of stuff with that. The next app is a voice recorder. I don't know the specific name, I'll leave in the description area. I'm pretty sure it's called Sky Recorder. It's a nice and simple app which gives us a nice timeline kind of a view. It even have themes and option to back up all your voice recordings to Dropbox. The next app in our list is Firefox, which you might have probably known. It's been around for quite some time and the only reason I use it because of the ad blocker things. I installed some plugins. Let me just quickly show you those things. So as of now, these are the add-ons that I've got. Well, only one, uBlock Original, and it works really well. It blocks most of the ads and that's the only reason that I use Firefox. Next app in our list is PowerAmp, which is just a music player. It's pretty good at what it does. Do give it a try. Next app is Titanium Backup, which can back up all your apps with just a single click and restore them very easily, again with just a click. It does require root permission. Next app is my favorite, which is App Dialer Pro, which gives us this T9 keyboard and I can access any app that I want very easily just using this keyboard. So there we have it, Play Store. Let me open MX Player. So it's my #1 app on any Android device. So whenever I try out a new Android device, the first app I install is App Dialer. Next app is Google Photos, which automatically backs up your photos on your device to your Google Picasa or Google Photos account, and then using all your images on the cloud, it generates nice storylines and movies. Next app is Evernote, which is a note-taking app. It's once again really good, do give it a try. And the final app is the Google Phone Dialer. So it's personally not my go-to dialer, but I've been using it for quite some time now and it works really well. Over here we have our frequent contacts and our timeline or call logs and all my contacts. And this is how the keyboard looks. So there we have it guys, these are the top 20 apps for this video. So this is just the part 2, there's going to be a part 3 very soon. So do check it out, and if you have not checked the part 1, I'll leave a link for that in the description area, do check it out. If you have any suggestions for me, do let me know by commenting below this video. If you found this video to be helpful, do give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this.